Make Diesel go on the track now.
No, James.
Oh, James is gonna go? Okay, you can make James go on the track. Be careful. Don't bump it. It will break easily. It's fragile.
He comes.
Come on. Put him on the track. Spent a lot of time putting this thing together.
Yes.
Ow, Flash. Ready? Put James on there. Oh no! James!
Right.
Can you say hi, Grandma?
Come on. Hi, come on.
Who else? Hi, Grandpa?
No, Papa.
No, Grandpa, why not?
Go, Mama.
Okay, put your train on there. Oh, he's not quite on the track yet. Oh, a little higher. A little higher. Like this way. Okay, set him up top again. Back up top again. There you go.
Oh no. Oh no, Papa, Daddy.
Hook them together first. Great job. Okay, make sure all the wheels are on the track. There you go. Let him go. Let him go. Let him go. Remember? Let him go. Well, no, you have to give him a little head start, though. Like this. Ready? Bye, James. Woo!
Bye, Diesel.
Bye, Diesel. Okay, make Diesel go.
Diesel.
Make Diesel go down the track.
Diesel fast.
Oh, Diesel's fast. Oh, can Daddy help you? Can Daddy help you? Ready? Ready? You make the noises.
Oh, Diesel. Back up. Diesel. Back up. Diesel.
Back up, Diesel.
No, Diesel. No, Diesel. No.
Put him back at the top again.
Up.
Can you just put him back at the top? Just pick him up and put him back at the top. What sound does the Diesel make?
No, fast.
What sound does the Diesel make?
Choo, choo. Diesel fast.
James is fast.
He comes.